Hi guys, this is Ranjit again with my old model Bullet. So today we are going to discuss about the modifications I have done in the Bullet, and let me just give you a walk around what all things are being done. These are the alloy wheels. This is the handle, a custom made handle with double steps. The silencer we recently changed a carbon fiber vinyl coating at home, and this black paint as well. हो गया जी हमारा साइलेंसर चेंज, लगा दिए इसमें VW Indori से ये साउंड। Mate, please feel free to comment. Thank you so much for your time guys. Bye bye, take care.